Hello, and welcome to the channel. This should be a lens in the upper segment and deliver exceptional quality. It delivers quality, but it is not very easy. Maybe I always have too high expectations of the wide open aperture of F1.8. Because I shoot handheld with auto ISO, I take risks not to lose sharpness due to a minuscule movement. Some shots turned out very well. At F1.8, unexpectedly crazy dream worlds, exactly what I like.